Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're sharing budget-friendly decorating ideas for small porches and indoor gardens. Even if you have limited space, these creative and affordable solutions will help you transform both your outdoor and indoor areas into functional and stylish havens. When space is limited, thinking vertically can make all the difference. Hanging planters, wall-mounted shelves, and trellises are perfect for elevating your plants and making the most of your small porch or indoor garden. By going vertical, you can create a lush green oasis without taking up valuable floor space. One of the best ways to maximize a small space is by choosing multifunctional furniture. Foldable chairs and tables can be easily stored away when not in use, freeing up space. Storage benches offer seating while also providing a place to stash gardening tools, cushions, or other items. Stackable furniture is another practical option that saves space and can be easily stored when not needed. Creating your own decor is a budget-friendly way to add personality to your small porch or indoor garden. Repurpose wooden pallets to make outdoor furniture, use mason jars as planters, and get creative with upcycled containers. These DIY projects not only save money, but also add a personal touch to your space, making it truly unique. You can turn your small porch or indoor garden into a cozy and inviting seating area with just a few simple touches. Add colorful cushions and throws for comfort, place an outdoor rug to define the space, and string up fairy lights to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. These easy additions will make your space more comfortable and enjoyable. If you're working with a small garden area, container gardening and vertical veggie gardens are your best bet. Group containers of different heights together to create a mini garden, or use wall-mounted planters and hanging baskets to grow vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and cherry tomatoes. These methods maximize your space and make it easy to tend to your plants. Don't forget the finishing touches. Decorative accents like wind chimes, bird feeders, and DIY garden art can bring character and charm to your porch or indoor garden. Wind chimes add a soothing, melodic element, while bird feeders attract wildlife to your garden. Personalize your space with painted rocks, mosaic stepping stones, or sculptures made from natural materials. Finally, keep your porch and indoor garden looking fresh by updating your decor with the seasons. In the spring, add bright flowers and floral cushions. In the summer, go for tropical plants and beach-inspired accents. In the fall, bring in pumpkins and warm-toned blankets. And in the winter, decorate with evergreen branches, pine cones, and twinkling lights. Seasonal changes keep your space vibrant and inviting all year round. With these tips, you can make your small porch or indoor garden both functional and beautiful, no matter your budget. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Happy decorating!